Okay, good morning mga kabugsagin. Happy Sunday sa tanan. Nagkaroon diri sa kuan Barangay Mulugan, Cabadport. Kay naay dula sa kuan Bull Club diri sa Mulugan. Mo na mga kuan kanang habi karon nga magpabilin gyapon ang mga pagpaugnat sa kusog di gid mawala. Team 40 mga kabugsakin. Mo ni karon nilang title. Mulugan 40 Beautiful Sunday 2025 Basketball Club. So matag Domingo ra ni siya mahitabo diri mga kabugsakin. So niana ang team 40 nagsugod na sila yung pag-warm up. Shout out ko kay Kuya Dante Pagidupon. Nga usa sad siya nga nag-organize aning dulaa. Team 40 o Team Beautiful Sunday. Mo karoy magdula arong adlaw. Karong buntaga mga kabugsakin.
Naraway, special vlogger.
Shout out ko sa akong kuya nga si Kwan. Engineer Abarabar. Shout out dia. Kumbati kuya. Kalag. Shout out ko dia kang Nelbots Ausan. Shout out ko sa ako ang mga kabats. Dodong. Kala. Kumbati mga kabugsakin, no?
Bugno sa kinabuhi.
Bugno. Mao ni bisa pagkuan kanang adlaw-adlaw nato nga pakigbugno sa kinabuhi. Tagaan gyud po nato glingaw ang ato ang kaugalingon panahon sa Domingo. Mao ning gitawag og paugnat sa kusog.
Pestura sa Richard bago pestura sa.
Shout out ko sa akong pare. Ana don.
Kamelo na kami tsumbe.
Shout out ko sa mga amigo nga si Dumag, ribato number 3. Punta ni. Hey.
Walay na injury na naman mo. Kita-kita Lord ang Spirit of Scripture. Kita na ang salamatan pagkat sa ngalan ni Jesus.
Dagan mo kay ilo. Ay, napulo ba? Ay, pulo. Ay, sabi jodoh mo sa crossover, crossover mo, jodoh sa crossover. Pamilihan to sila sa punta. Prito.
Ready to the jungle.
Kuya.
Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 giving the ball. Jersey number 7. Almost steal. Dahil ang kasan. 10 seconds shot clock. Pumera. No good. Rebound by Ibay. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. Pass to Pakuligan to jersey number 3. Please. May kasawang foul. Who's foul red? Foul jersey number 5.
Dalagog bola karo tanawan.
Running for the game. Jersey number 3. Proper red shirt.
Ay down din lang yung ba down sa kuan ba? Beautiful sunny day.
First through. Wala. Second through. Wearing jersey number 3. Second through. Yes, correct. 1 point. Jersey number 5, Pinto. Pinto pass to jersey number 28. Jersey number 28, dribbling the ball, nanti nakabasan, wala nice pass. Spin. Pass to jersey number 8. Back to jersey number 7. Shot clock 10 seconds to shoot. Pinto to jersey number 8. 5 or 3. 3 points. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 9 ang itagabasan. Pass to jersey number 14. Jersey number 14 harap by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. There's a foul. Pushing foul committed by jersey number 8. You have first personal foul, second for the team foul. Shot clock 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 18. No good. Airball. Rebound by jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 behind pass to Pinto. Pinto dribbling the ball. Shot clock 10 seconds to shoot. Nabitawan yung sabaw. Lost ball violation. Sakulingan to jersey number 9. Yes, connect. 2 points.
Tidars.
Jersey number 5, Pinto. Pass to Normani Bas. To jersey number 28, yes, connect 2 points. Jersey number 9 with the ball. Score 5 against 3. Jersey number 9 with the ball. Pass to Sakolingan. Sakolingan. Yes, connect 2 points.
Siat niya dito niya. Siat niya. Dah.
Score 5 all. Jersey number 5, Quinto. Quinto with the ball. To jersey number 8. To jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 28. What a nice pass. What a nice shot. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Nangita kabasahan. Pass to jersey number 14. No rule. Rebound by jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 18. To jersey number 3. Steal by Sakolingan. To jersey number 3. Win Banyama. Yes, connect 2 points.
Yan ito pasa.
Diyan to. Technical?
May culprit pero.
Gos, gos.
Plus ball position.
Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 7. Harap sa jersey number 9. Jersey number 7. Dribbling the ball. To jersey number 18. Iba. By 18 na. Pass to jersey number 8. 5 on 3. No good. Nagtabiga. Nakuha ni jersey number 18 to jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. Lumatake. Yes, connect 2 points.
Ano yan siya? Kuya G! Ay, paninood!
Jersey number 7. To jersey number 18. Jersey number 18, yes, connect 2 points.
Balik, balik.
Kuales, ay, kuales.
Jersey number 9, pass to Sakolingan, back to jersey number 9. Pull up jump, no good. Rebound. But,
Court
there's
now?
a foul.
Di ba pag court?
Uli, uli. Uli na.
Napay, tres.
Kapay 3.
Wala si Kuan ba? Wala din si Presencio ba?
Ha?
Jersey number 5, Quinto. Jersey number 5. To jersey number 7. Steal by Sakolingan. Sakolingan giving the ball. Pass to jersey number 3. Basket is down. Michael Salamang foul.
Ay, super man ay. Napol kay isa ba? Wala pa.
Habaga. Pass to jersey number 32. Pull up jump. No good. Rebound by jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 2. To Fabria to jersey number 29. Yes, connect 2 points. Jersey number 0. Habaga. Habaga dribbling the ball. Pass to Quaresma. To jersey number 7. Back to pass to shoot. Less ball. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 29. Traveling violation. Jersey number 0 ang Bagat. Habagat pass to Quaresma. Quaresma na kita kabataan. To Shiring. Quaresma. To Nailga. Shot clock 7 seconds to shoot. Habagat. Yes, connect 2 points. Habagat. Score 11 against 14. Time remaining 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Jersey number 29 to jersey number 11. Wala. Sure. Paso. Habagat bola. No good. Rebound by Fabria. Fabria to the ball. Fabria. Back to jersey number 29 to jersey number 11. Wala. Rebound by Nailga. Nailga to Habagat. Habagat tawagat. Wala. Rebound by Fabria.
Score!
Steal by Habagat. Habagat to Nailga. To jersey number 7. Pull up. 3 points. Made by jersey number 7. Anadon. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 nang kita kabataan. To Fabria. Fabria pass to jersey number 29. Juarez pass. No good. Rebound na katabigan. Same ball. Shot clock seconds to shoot that ball. Fire at 5 or 3. No good. Rebound by Nailga. Pass break play by Habagat. Habagat lebre. Yes, connect 2 points sa Habagat. Grabe. Pass breaker. Remaining 1 minute. Fabria. Pass to jersey number 11. What a nice pass by Fabria. Lost ball violation. Seconds to play. 50.8 seconds for the first quarter. Jersey number 2. To jersey number 29 to Fabria. Fabria pull up jump. No good. Rebound by Anadon. Anadon dribbling the ball. Anadon. Blocked by jersey number 2. To Quaresma. Quaresma fake. Quaresma to Mera. No good. Rebound. Foul. Jersey number 7 Anadon.
Score!
Jersey number 9. Connect 2 points.
Nice, okay.
Yes, connect 2 points.
Dua na lang.
Habagat. 10 seconds. Habagat. To Quaresma. Nailga pull up. 2 seconds. End of the first quarter is score 17 against 19.
Alin mo.
Oo.
Libre dito ata dyan.
Ako gi wala ba? Wala gi ako dia ba? Pili.
Mabalik ka ninyo, bisag.
Kuha ni. Ba-short niya.
Nag-shoot bitaw na.
Ba-short niya. Bali man ang...
Bali mo?
Large.
Kubangan? Militan ako. Nangabali yun eh. Ayan na.
Ner. Pero nakabali ang banda.
Balik. Ubos. Diri mo na dapat ay ito.
Dirim tani dapat ang higo to.
Balik man naman.
Bali.
No.
Bali lagi.
Na balik. Lagi lang. Balik kamu. Kasar naman ito. Ibalik ka ito. Balik ka.
Bali man.
Baliw.
Balik, basta balik.
Jersey number 0. Let's go. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 0. Yes, connect to 1. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 9, there's a foul. Jersey number 0, you have first personal foul, first for the team foul. Jersey number 9, pass to Habagat. Habagat to jersey number 3, steal by Bakarandan. Jersey number 0, pass to Pinto. Yes, connect to points, Chico.
Karon?
Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Pass to Sakuligan. Sakuligan to jersey number 3. Steal. Quinto with the ball. Jersey number 5 with the ball. Pass to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9, Ibay to jersey number 0. Shot clock is good. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 5, Kento 5-1-3, now good. Rebound, jersey number 9, pass break to Habagat. Basket is out by kasama ng foul. Foul jersey number 5, Quinto. Jersey number 0. Steal by jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 3. No good. Rebound by Iban. To jersey number 0, Anero to jersey number 3. Just connect 2 points. Jersey number 0. One nice pass. Steal. Jersey number 5, Kento. To jersey number 0, libre. Pwede ba mga pre? Yes, connect 2 points.
Hoy, nakita ko na Steven TV oh. Nakita na Steven TV.
Jersey number 0, Abagat. What a nice crossover by Abagat. What a nice pass. Jersey number 3. There's a ball. Who's fouled it? Foul committed jersey number 28. You have first personal foul, third for the team foul. First through. Yes, connect 1 point. Second through. No good. Rebound by Bakarandan.
Score ba balik score oh. Idugang sa mo.
Jersey number 5. Quinto. To Bakarandan. No good. Jersey number 9 to jersey number 0 to Sakuligan. There's a foul. Foul jersey number 0.
Counted daw, counted.
Yes, connect 2 points all. Jersey number 5, Quito. Jersey number 5. Still by jersey number 9. To Bagat. Yes, connect 2 points sa Bagat. Prutika. So, hit by jersey number 3.
Tinggal. Ito.
He scored 27 against 25. Jersey number 5, Quinto. Pasto Ibai. Sumalaksak. Rebound by Makarandan. Big block, but there's a foul. Who's foul ref? Foul jersey number 24 sa Kolingan. You have first personal foul, first for the team foul. True free throws. First throw wala. Second through. Yes, connect 1 point. Habaga. To jersey number 0. Habaraba with the ball. What a nice pass to jersey number 9. Huli ka by ball. Jersey number 3. No good. Rebound by Macaranda. Love field. Number 3. Yes, connect 2 points. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 5, Quinto. Quinto with the ball. To Macaranda. To jersey number 0, Anero. Nakuha ni Macaranda. No good. Rebound by jersey number 3. Habagat. Wow. Wala. Rebound by Quinto. To jersey number 9, Levi. To Macarandan. Yes, connect 2 points, Macarandan. Nakuha ni jersey number 9, there's a foul. Basket, who's come? May kasama pang foul, jersey number 5, Quinto.
Ito naman ang stand low.
Ha?
Stand ba? Stand.
Tuwad, subalay, nalimtan akong dala.
Pass to jersey number 7. To jersey number 29. There's a foul. Who's foul left? Foul jersey number 18. Yan, tandok.
Dodong.
Wala. Rebound. Abar-abar di kelas. Abar-abar di bawah naik ke satu Kuanekma. OSP. Save ball. Shot clock is jersey number 14. Ryan. To another one. Pull up. No good. Foul. Jersey number 18. You have second personal foul, third for team foul.
Pastoy.
Foul 3 to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, Paira. Paira to jersey number 29. Wala, iyan nga po. Yes, connect 2 points. Abar to Anadon. There's a foul. Foul committed jersey number 2. You have second personal foul, penalty. First throw by Anagon. No good. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Rubang ka jersey number 29 to jersey number 9, Paira. Paira. Rebound by jersey number 7. Maiso Mabit. Good foul there. Foul jersey number 0, Barabar. Your first personal foul. Warning for penalty. First throw na.
Nagpalaban ng lala.
Second throw. Yes, coming one. Barabar. Manu, rebound.
Nabuilo na, Dok. Nabuilo na.
Jersey number 7 to jersey number 2. Go Paira, libre. Yes, correct. 2 points, Paira. Jersey number 0, Barabar. Loose ball. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 to Pabria.
Dula lagi pangita, wait time out.
Yes,
Ingon kay kondisyon. Ingon kay kondisyon. Wala na mga.
Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, Barabar. Barabar na nagkakasaan shot clock, 10 seconds. To jersey number 7. 5 seconds to shoot. Yes, connect 2 points, Quarries. Jersey number 7. To jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 to Pabria. Pabria, yes, connect 2 points. Time out. Time out. Lead back to the Harper. Jersey number 0, Barabar. Barabar. Kurang tining ngayon. Hello. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. To jersey number 7. Swat to jersey number 29. Pull up. No, ibagay Paglia. Nagagawa ng buko. Jump ball. Beautiful Sunday basketball. Seconds to play, 57.6 seconds. Jersey number 0, Barabar. Barabar. To Anadon block. Anadon pa rin. Anadon na yung nagbasahan. Jersey number 18 to Barabar. Barabar sumalaksak. To jersey number Quaresma. 5 seconds to shoot. Just like 2 points, Quaresma. Jersey number 2. To jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Pull up jump, yes, connect 2 points. 20 seconds remaining. Anadon, block. 16 seconds. Ang nabilin sa oras. Save ball. Barabar. Kinabatahan to Quaresma. Pabuli, no loose. There's a foul. Foul, jersey number 3.